Keep on doing what you do, doing what you do. Just keep on doing what you do, doing what you do, doing what you do, what you do, doing what you do.
Hi guys, JanscrazyLife. So this is from Cindy Vernon. Look how beautiful this card is. And it says, thanks so much for hosting. Crafty hugs, Cindy. Look how pretty this is. Alright. I love it. She put the little card in with her information. I am just going to set this to the side. And this book came in this beautiful tissue paper. And let's look at this. I love that you use flannel. I use flannel in a lot of my books. I love it. It's so pretty, the gingerbread. And I think I watched a bit of her video. I try not to watch the videos. I'll try to go back because I want to like open it with fresh eyes and see everything. She got this beautiful closure and she left room for it to grow, and it's gingerbread, and I think maybe that was her theme. It's so pretty. Look at this beautiful gingerbread that flips up. I mean, so stinking cute. Love this. It says, Sweet Christmas Wishes. When you flip over, oh my gosh, it's so cute. She's got this place that is in between the tucks, but this paper though, paper is so cute. And I wonder where, if you made these, or how adorable are these, right? She got this pocket. Everything is so pretty. And in it, oh my gosh, she is amazing at tags. Like, the detail in this tag alone is so beautiful. And then there's this one. We're gonna stick that back in. And then there's a side pocket and the paper. I love all the glitter. Tag. So beautiful. Look how pretty this is. And it's a pocket that has a tag in it. The glitter sticking to each other. Oh my gosh, it's so beautiful. And then she's got a pull here, and I'm just gonna pull one out. Oh, look at the beautiful paper on it. I love this. All right, let's stick that back in. And then there's, I just want to look at the top and make sure there is some pulls at the top. Oh, no, there's not. Okay. Just look at that up front. So there is this beautiful place that you can journal. Look how pretty this is, though. Like, did you make all this? It's so beautiful. Look at the paper, though. Journaling or picture. There's another pull. Beautiful paper on it. Alright. Go back in. Alright. Look, I love that it's folded. This is so unique. And then I love that you put a place to journal or post a picture or whatever. There is a waterfall that has a beautiful bow tied on it. And this beautiful paper. Oh, sorry about the kid music in the background. Beautiful. Let's tie this back so I don't forget. Luckily for me, she has it kind of marked to where the bow will probably help. It'll probably help me tie the bow back. Alright. So there's another pull here. Beautiful paper. And I love all the glitter in this. There's a tuck spot here and a tuck spot here. So cute. Alright, so there, it's so sweet. Look at the gingerbread, and I am going, oh my gosh, y'all ready? Are you ready though? Look, it says Noel. That is adorable. Wow. You are holly to my jolly. Okay, wait, something happens here. So it flips up here, and it's magnetized. And then, look how beautiful this paper is. Alright. So then there's a belly band, and look how beautiful this is. I love this. So creative. Alright, put it back. And then this paper though, and she put tags all the way through. So pretty. Alright, so here we have look at this. There's a double pocket, and there's all kinds of journaling cards that she put in here. And then the paper, so cute. Look at the gingerbread down here. Alright, so let's see. Oh, there's a bag here. So there's like a tuck back here, but in this beautiful little bag, she's got, so pretty. Look how cute this is. And then it says, Dear Santa. That's super creative. Here is an envelope with some Velcro. And it says, have yourself a merry little Christmas and Merry Christmas. And let's stick that back in. And then there is this beautiful pocket. Love all this. It's almost like enamel. Look. How stinking adorable is that? There's a journal card. I'm like, I love this book. Alright, so there's another pull. Beautiful paper on the other side. Stick it in the slot. Look. Wow. Okay, so this is a double flip, but look at this. So when you flip it, and it's magnetized. I was like, it has a little pull. So it's magnetized. How stinking cute is that? And she has journaling cards in the pocket. So cute. So here is this little bitty like coin envelope. And then in here is a card. And I think this is, look, she left it blank, but how creative is that? Alright, let's put that back in. Alright. Let's do... Alright, and then there's this beautiful tuck up here. And then look at this gingerbread house. Okay, I kind of don't want to untie the ribbon because I'm scared I might not get it back. But we have to see how creative and adorable is that. Alright, let's tie this little bitty bow. I kind of need a third finger. Alright, well, we're gonna get it though. No, go this way. Alright, we got it. We got it. Beautiful. Sugar and spice and everything nice. I mean, just when I thought, look at this shaker though. And then behind the shaker is this cute little tag. Oh, look how pretty this is. So pretty. And there is another pull with that beautiful paper. Alright, let me put this back. And then there is Mary. Look at this belly band with this beautiful, I love this gingerbread at the bottom. Hey, I have a package to drop off. But can we just go to the post office after we go to the school? Because I got to pick up some stuff. Okay, sorry, my husband's going back to lunch, from lunch to work. Okay, look at the gingerbread. And then look how cute. Coloring is amazing. My little one's like, don't leave, Daddy, don't leave. Look at this Santa. Cindy, your tags are always amazing. Like the detail, all the thought behind it, and all the creativeness in this beautiful book is amazing. And you know, you forgot to put your name in here too, so I probably will write it here because I didn't see it, but I will put it in there for you. So beautiful. So don't forget Cindy Vernon. I will have her channel, all her information linked above and below. Don't forget to go check them out. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. Love this beautiful book, and thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't already, because the best is yet to come. Bye.